Brother, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Abdul Wahab Raza Tari from Sierra Leone, West Africa.
What inspired you to come for i'tikaf?
I have been connected my loves towards Amir Ali Sunnah since ago. And I said, I'm working. Somebody was doing this work. The reality of this thing, I have to go to the real place and see what is going on. And I also should inspire my people to do the same.
Which characteristic of Amir Ali Sunnat inspires you the most?
Most character that inspired me most, Amir Ali Sunnah, he's soft. And also his kalam is nice, mashallah. And when he talk, you understand. Even you are not getting, but you understand. Whenever Amir Ali Sunnah, I see Amir Ali Sunnah cry, I also feel the same. Even still I am here, I'm feeling the same. So when the first time I visit to pray with Amir Ali Sunnah, in Friday when I see Amir Ali Sunnah, Allah Akbar, such a great awliya, such a great somebody by the age of this time, serving people for the sake of Allah. It's not easy, in society, in the community, for people like these people to serve this kind of people. Not with riyah, not with any proudness, but he's serving according to Sharia and Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.